Fiverr vs. Upwork, the 2025 showdown for beginner freelancers. New York, New York, October 26, 2025. For aspiring freelancers aiming to make their mark in the digital marketplace, choosing the right platform is a critical first step. In 2025, the two titans of the freelance world, Fiverr and Upwork, continue to offer distinct pathways to online income. While both platforms can be lucrative, they cater to different work styles and skill sets, making one potentially a better starting point than the other for beginners. The fundamental difference: proactive selling versus reactive bidding. The core distinction between Fiverr and Upwork lies in their approach to connecting freelancers with clients. Fiverr operates on a gig-based model, where freelancers create pre-packaged services, or gigs, at set prices. Clients then browse this marketplace and purchase the services they need. This puts the freelancer in a proactive position, defining their offerings and pricing upfront. Conversely, Upwork functions as a more traditional job marketplace. Clients post job descriptions, and freelancers submit proposals, or bids, to win the work. This is a more reactive approach, requiring freelancers to actively seek out and apply for projects that match their skills. Getting your foot in the door. Where is it easier to start? For many beginners, the initial hurdle is landing that crucial first client. In this regard, Fiverr often presents a lower barrier to entry. The ability to create a gig and immediately have a service to offer can be less intimidating than writing proposals for jobs on Upwork. Newcomers can focus on crafting a compelling gig description and showcasing their skills in a portfolio without the pressure of direct competition for each individual project. Success on Fiverr for beginners often hinges on creating a niche, well-defined gig with a competitive starting price. Positive reviews on smaller, initial projects can quickly build momentum and visibility on the platform. On Upwork, beginners may face a steeper learning curve. Crafting persuasive proposals that stand out in a sea of applicants requires skill and persistence. Many established freelancers on Upwork have extensive work histories and glowing reviews, which can make it challenging for newcomers to compete. However, Upwork's Rising Talent badge can help new, promising freelancers gain visibility. Making money. A look at the fee structures in 2025. Both platforms take a commission from freelancers' earnings, a crucial factor for anyone starting out. Fiverr maintains a straightforward fee structure, taking a flat 20% commission on all earnings, including tips. Upwork's fee structure is more dynamic. For new contracts with a client, Upwork takes a 20% commission on the first $500 billed. This drops to 10% for lifetime billings with that client between $500.01 and $10,000, and further reduces to 5% for lifetime billings exceeding $10,000. This sliding scale is designed to encourage long-term client relationships. For a beginner, Fiverr's flat 20% might seem high, but its simplicity is a plus. Upwork's sliding scale can be more advantageous for larger, ongoing projects, but the initial 20% is the same as Fiverr's. In-demand skills for 2025. Across both platforms, certain skills are consistently in high demand. Beginners with expertise in the following areas are likely to find more opportunities: creative services, graphic design, especially logo and brand identity design, video editing, and content creation, writing, blogging. Tech skills: web and mobile development, SEO services, and e-commerce store management, e.g., Shopify. Marketing: social media marketing, email marketing, and digital advertising. Administrative support: virtual assistants and data entry. Platform evolution: recent changes in 2025. Both Fiverr and Upwork are continually evolving. In 2025, a key development on Upwork has been the increased integration of its AI assistant, Uma. This AI helps clients create better job posts and assists freelancers in crafting more effective proposals, potentially leveling the playing field for beginners who may struggle with this aspect. Fiverr has been focusing on helping sellers identify and capitalize on trending niches. The platform's algorithm continues to be a key factor in gig visibility, emphasizing the importance of keywords, positive reviews, and timely delivery for new sellers. Support for newcomers: educational resources. Both platforms offer resources to help new freelancers get started. Fiverr Learn provides a range of online courses, both free and paid, covering in-demand skills and platform best practices. Upwork Academy offers a more structured learning path with courses on creating a strong profile, writing winning proposals, and managing projects effectively. Common beginner pitfalls to avoid. On Fiverr, creating overly broad gigs, having poor quality gig images or descriptions, and failing to deliver on time. On Upwork, sending generic, copy-pasted proposals, bidding on jobs with unclear requirements or low client ratings, and setting rates that are either too high or too low. The verdict: which platform is better for beginners in 2025? The better platform ultimately depends on the individual beginner's personality, skills, and goals. Choose Fiverr if you prefer a proactive approach to selling your services. You have a specific, well-defined service you can package into a gig. You want a simpler, more straightforward way to get started and are comfortable with a flat 20% commission. Your skills are in creative fields that lend themselves well to project-based work. Choose Upwork if you are comfortable with a more traditional job application process and enjoy the challenge of writing compelling proposals. You are looking for larger, potentially long-term projects and hourly work. You are confident in your ability to compete with other freelancers and want the potential for a lower commission on long-term client relationships. You want to build a freelance career that may involve more complex projects and client interactions. For many beginners, starting on Fiverr can be a less daunting way to gain experience, build a portfolio, and earn their first online income. The platform's structure allows for a more controlled entry into the world of freelancing. As skills and confidence grow, transitioning to or incorporating Upwork to secure larger and more long-term clients can be a strategic next step.